Okay, I think I will take some questions at the end, and I will be able to cover, to address all the questions. For the sake of time, and also because my internet is not stable, I'll go to flyers, and then I'll come back to any questions in regards to logos. For whatever you design, first it depends on what you have searched. So if, for example, we want to design a flyer about let's say fast foods restaurant, so you write flyers for fast food restaurant. If you search, it will bring these flyers. Here, these are some of the examples of what you can design. Just want us to find something that we are comfortable to work with. Okay. Let's take, for example, this one. So we'll design this one. It is still loading, so we'll see what comes for us to work with. Okay. So it's still loading. We are very unfortunate this evening. My internet is very, very bad. Okay, so this is what we are going to work with. And as I mentioned earlier, when you want to work with something, whatever you see here is visible enough. So we are going to zoom this out and then start editing. So for example, these words, you can change them and write. So for you to see what you are designing, first you need to increase the size of what you are designing. So here you can write, for example, like this. And, so just as an example, and then we go down here, we change only for, if you are in Malawi, then you can write for 2,500, just as an example as well. Now we have written 2,500, and then it comes like this. You just need to go here and reduce or increase the font of what you are writing. So if I click here, it means it will be like this. And then in this 99, we can take it off by clicking it and just pressing delete on your computer or on your phone. So in case this is also too small for you to see, you can just click here again and go here and just click like this, so to increase the font. And here you change, for example, for orders, does contact us on 88-321-7599. Okay. So you change all these things by just substituting with what you want to put. Okay. And this is our poster, for example, and we want to put a logo for our company. What we are going to do, the same principle that I'm going to show you here is what you can use when you are putting a picture in your poster. So here we want to put a logo. A logo, maybe we want it to be down here. This space is a bit small. So I want to increase this white part. First I'll click and then I'll drag here like this, just to increase the space where we want to put the logo. It is the same if you want to reduce it, then you drag it down. But now I want to create a space where the logo will fit. Now, for you to add a picture or a logo, you need to go to uploads here. Okay? And then you get, if these pictures which you are seeing here, I already uploaded so that I can get them from here to whatever I'll be designing. But in case you have not yet uploaded anything here, you need to go where it says upload files. You go to where you have your pictures, you select some pictures, and then they will load here. So in our case, we want to put a logo, and I would like to use our partner's logo. That is the First Web Foundation. I'll click this logo here. It will come somewhere here, and then I will drag it to where I want it to be. And then this logo is also a bit big. Then we'll drag in the corners up until it fits into where we want it to be. Then to be like this. So this is where we're going to put our logo. I'll still drag it so that it fits well. I'll put it here. So that's how we put a picture. And then I'm going to add another logo for Executive Edge. And just to demonstrate something else, this is the logo for Executive Edge. I'll click it. It will as well, it will come here. And then I'll drag it and resize it by dragging the corners, and I'll bring it somewhere here. Now you have a picture which has a background, and this background is also not really matching with what we are already using here. What I'll do, I'll click this picture here, and this is only possible with a Canva Premium. We need to remove the background of this logo. So with the free account of for free Canva, you cannot remove the background. So these are some of the privileges that we have when we are using Canva Premium. I'm going to click this logo, and I'll go where it says BG remover. BG means background remover. When I click here, it will start cleaning my logo, and it will remove the background of the logo, so that we only have, now you can see what we have. Okay, so we only have the logo that we wanted. So the same with a picture. For example, if I want to take my picture from here, or I'll use editor's picture, I'll take a picture, I'll bring it somewhere here. This is editor's picture. Okay, and then I'll reduce it to fit where we want it to be. I'll reduce it like this. And for example, I want to put it here. The same, you go to background remover. It will clean the background and take it out. So we just wait for some few minutes. So as I've mentioned, this is only possible with the Canva Premium. With free Canva, you cannot remove background. Now you can see that this is the picture that we have. Okay, so you can move it to wherever you want to put. Okay, and the same, we want to remove this blue part and put another color. You click here around blue and you go to colors, and then you can choose any color that you want to have there. So for example, if we put this one, it will be like this. If we choose this one, it will be like this. If we choose this one, it will be like this. Okay. This will be like this, as an example. Do we have any questions before we download this one? So you can replace even the logo, you put your own logo here, or you'll put your own words. But so far, this is what we have done. And this Canva has some other elements like these small stars. If you want them, you can keep them. If you don't want them, then you can just click and go to delete, then you take them off. You delete, but if you want them, you can just keep them. And then also these pictures, you can also remove, you can also just move them wherever you want. And even, you can even duplicate them by right clicking, going to copy, and if you paste, you are going to have two bands like this. So it is up to you to put the other one wherever you want, like this. Questions or comments? Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
It's clear.
Okay.
So my question is, if we want to remove the beggars, can we do that, or we have to choose? For instance, we want to put chicken pieces here. What happens?
If you want to remove them, you can remove, yes. For example, let me show you. You can click it and just go to delete like this. Okay. At the same time, you can
Yes.
put pictures from your own from your computer or phone, because maybe you're already running a restaurant and you have some dishes that you want to put on the poster. So you can also just put yours. And sometimes you have something already which is there and you're able to offer to customers. So don't put something that you know will attract customers' attention and they will ask for it and then you can't make. But you can always put something that you know you can put. For example, if I go to images, searching images, if I say cake, let's see. Okay, let's go to elements. When you go to elements, you can search for whatever you want. Cakes. Then I'll do like this. So if you go to cakes, you can also just have something like this. So whatever you want, if I click this one, it will come here, and I'll just reduce the size, and then I'll put this cake here. But it should be something that you are able to make. So if you go to elements, whatever you want to add to your poster, to your logo, you'll find it under elements. Even if you want a flag, for example, flag for Zambia, and you want to add it to the poster, it will come. Just a moment. Yeah, something like this. So you go to CO, then you can also just put whatever you want. Okay. If I click something like this one, it will come here, and I just need to reduce it some like this and put it maybe somewhere like here. Some of these things just to make your product look nice, like this. Okay. I hope I've answered your question.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah, so we have looked at a logo, a banner, and now we can also go to a poster.